Hello everyone, welcome to Positive Counseling with Cecilia. Today I'm here with Veronica Gamio. She's a yoga instructor, well-experienced yoga instructor, and a very wise woman. Together we have put this workshop for you, all of you that want to have better relationships with yourself, with others, with money, with the joy of being alive. And the workshop is called Falling in Love with Yourself.
We're going to share with you some easy techniques so you can understand your emotions, also connect with your inner voice and intuition, and feel good in your own skin. So leave your message here, leave your number or your contact number so we can call you or we can write you about the workshop and more information.
Okay, so we're going to give this workshop in different locations in Florida, and we will be glad to hear from you. Thank you. Right, Tante.